Hello children, good afternoon. Welcome to your EVS class. Today's date is 1st February 2021. Today we are going to do lesson reading of chapter 17, our festivals. So I request you to please open page number 68. Children, on page number 68, our lesson starts. Are you all ready with your textbooks? Shall we start reading? Okay. Keep your pointer finger. I am reading out the lines for you. Please follow me. Okay. Chapter 17, our festivals. 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 Festivals are a time for happiness and celebration. 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 celebrate. We celebrate festivals with our family. wear new clothes, and greet each other. We wear new clothes and greet each other. We exchange sweets, and gifts. We exchange sweets and gifts. Visit our friends, and relatives during festivals. We visit our friends and relatives during festivals. Diwali. Diwali is a religious festival. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, Lord Rama, returned returned to Ayodhya after killing killing Ravana. On this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. At night, people decorate their homes with candles and diyas. At night, people decorate their homes with candles and diyas. GODDESS, Goddess. LAKSHMI, Lakshmi is WORSHIPPED, worshipped on this day. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day. Say no to crackers, as they pollute the air and cause harm to our ears. Say no to crackers as they pollute the air and cause harm to our ears. Next festival is Christmas. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus. Jesus, Christ. Christ. Jesus Christ. It falls on 25th December. December. People go to church to pray. People go to church to pray. On this day, Christmas trees are decorated with balloons, balloons, COLOURED, colored lights, stars, and gifts. On this day, Christmas trees are decorated with balloons, colored lights, stars, and gifts. Now, turn your page. Page number 69. Eid. Eid. Eid is, Eid is celebrated to mark the end of the month, month of fasting, fasting, fasting. Eid is celebrated to mark the end of the month of fasting. PEOPLE, people go to the mosque to pray, in brackets, namaz, NAMAZ, namaz. People go to the mosque to pray namaz. After the prayer, they wish their friends and relatives a happy Eid, which means Eid Mubarak. EID, Eid, MUBARAK, Mubarak. While embracing them, EMBRACING, embracing them. A special dish called Sevian, SEWAIN, Sevian, is PREPARED, prepared on Eid. A special dish called Sevian is prepared on Eid. Next festival is Guru Purab. The birthdays of the 10 Sikh, GURUS, Gurus. The birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus is celebrated as Guru Purab. People pray in the Guru, DWARA, Dwara, Gurudwara. People pray in the Gurudwara and organize, ORGANISE, organize langars, LANGARS, langars. People pray in the Gurudwara and organize langars. They read from the holy, HOLY, holy book. Guru, 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 Granth, GRANTH, Granth Sahib, SAHIB, Sahib. They read from the holy book, Guru Granth Sahib. Next. Do you know? PONGAL, Pongal is a big festival of SOUTH, South INDIA, India. Pongal is a big festival of South India. People worship the gods of the sun and rain and also the cow. This is Pongal. Now, Onam. ONAM. Onam is the HARVEST, harvest, FESTIVAL, festival of Kerala, Kerala. GRAND, grand boat races are organized during this festival. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Grand boat races are organized during this festival. So next page, page number 70. Turn to page number 70. We also celebrate NATIONAL, national festivals. We also celebrate national festivals. Republic Day, REPUBLIC, Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January, JANUARY, January. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Next, Independence Day, in DE, DPEN, pen, DEN, den, CE. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. This is also a national festival. Then one more national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. GANDHI, Gandhi, JAYNTI, Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. OCTOBER, October. It is the birthday of MAHATMA, Mahatma GANDHI, Gandhi. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. The father of our NATION nation. So this is all about our Indian festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals, and also national festivals. That's all, children. That's all for today. Please read this lesson at home. Okay? So meet you again in tomorrow's class. Happy learning. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.